The Ministry of National Security has committed its officers to positively impacting the lives of juveniles who come in contact with the law and is following through on that commitment. A program has been formulated to promote behavioral change, and it's aptly named We Transform. A key component is the focus on healthy lifestyle, which is being facilitated through a series of health fairs across all 4 juvenile correctional institutions. The health fair services are offered to both wards and staff members of the facilities. The first was held on November 8, 2017 at the Metcalfe Street facility, with persons receiving blood pressure checks, dental care, eye screening, electrocardiogram tests, and cholesterol tests.
What we intend to be the outcomes of this pillar, healthy lifestyle for the We Transform program, is to advance the general health of our children and staff members within the Department of Correctional Services across the juvenile institutions. We intend for healthy lifestyle practices to be promoted and practiced.
The health fairs will benefit a combined 530 children and staff from Metcalfe Street Secure Juvenile Remand Center and the South Camp Juvenile Remand and Correctional Center in Kingston, Hilltop Juvenile Correctional Center in St. Anne, and the Rio Cobra Juvenile Correctional Center in St. Catherine. The health fairs will also address sexuality and reproduction and substance abuse and misuse.
Those who abuse or misuse substances, drugs, alcohol, it affects their behavior. It affects their decision making. We intend for the children and the staff to be equipped with the requisite knowledge and tools to abstain from the use of illicit drugs and unhealthy and inappropriate sexual practices.
Partners such as the Ministry of Health and the Chase Fund welcome the initiative.
We at the ministry commit to partner and support in whatever way we can to make this program successful.
This health fair here is part of a healthy lifestyle initiative that can make a tremendous difference to the way the wards here live. I have one suggestion about something that we could add, and it is blood sugar tests. Juvenile diabetes is something that is getting really prevalent. And if you look at both rates, the incidence and prevalence rates, they're alarming. And so if we could add that going forward, it may just discover some things that we need to know.
This drive to promote healthy lifestyle practices in juvenile centers supports other initiatives, such as reducing offending and reoffending through behavior modification intervention, building self-esteem to engender positive behavior and attitude between staff and inmates, and strengthening the capacity of staff through training. The overall aim of the We Transform program is to equip children ages 12 to 17 years under the care and supervision of the Department of Correctional Services with the requisite skill set, character, and support to become exemplary citizens. The program is also geared at empowering youth for sustainable reintegration into society.
My goal is to make sure that the Department of Correctional Services achieves success, raises the bar, raises the standard and quality of service that we are giving to our children, because it is one of the significant pillars in our general national 5-pillar strategy to create a safe and secure Jamaica. We must reduce reoffending. Investment in prevention is better than investing in responding to crime.